welcome to this lecture. This lecture, I'm going to teach you right join. What is right join? And when to use right join? Why we require to use right join? These are the questions can be answered in this session. Let's see what it is. SQL right join keyword. The right join keyword returns all the records from the right table, that is table 2. If I specify table 1, 2, it is the right table, it is in 2. And the matched records from the left table for table 1. The result is null from the left side when there is a no match from the table left. So this is the keyword. It's very easy to apply. Is a keyword for right join here. Like see here, in our previous lecture we discussed everything. It's very clear. If you have missed out our inner join concept and the session, go through thoroughly. Our previous lectures of inner join is a very in detailed concept which is explained for you to understand how to apply join statement. And wherever my requirement in this left join for applying of the right join in this scenario, I have in a data all the records from the right side table I want to get as an output, and which the table I am matching with the another table, that is the left table, which are the matching rows from the right table. That is the way. Okay, now this is the way we have to write the join statement. It's very clearly, and I have taken these are the parameters from the different tables. If you want to know how to prepare for the complete statement with the left join, you go to the inner join. You will understand very clearly in detailed descriptive explanation is available with that statement. All you have to understand about it. That's it. Once you've gone through that session, you will have a complete join session how to prepare and what is the purpose. These are the left and inner and right and left joins. You just the purpose you understand, for the purpose only prepare this session. Once all the covers in the inner join itself. Now see here what it says that left join is. It is indicate as a left table and it indicates the right table. Right? The keyword of this join it is RIGHT. That's it. The over of this statement execution. Now, if I execute this statement, I'll get the result set as ID from the order table, like order of items. Why? Because as an alias name, I am taking as an O. This is the alias name of a sales order as a O. Clear. And P dot product name from the products table as a production dot products as a alias name P I have taken. See here, this is the production dot products table. And sales dot orders table, it is in items 2. These are the two tables I have taken for making in join statements clearly. As you wish to take any two tables or more tables to join with this join statements, all you have to understand like there is a column to be matched with each and every table with a unique column. This is very important aspect. All right. Now see here, I would like to suggest you two simple terms. This is the right join. What it will do from the left table, it is going to be produced as a result set all the data rows from the right table, and which are the data rows are matching from the left table, it will give you as an output. Whereas the table from the right to left which are not matching, it will be produced result is null from the left side table. The column data will be produced as a null value of that particular column when there is a no match from the right table. Okay. Now let's see, if I execute, you will get the result set same thing. You won't get observe if the matching of the data rows, if both are same, it will comes automatically both rows. Yes, we got the data here. It's a null. Let's see. Let's see here. It is from order table. That is the left order items. See here. Yeah, this is the order ID. It's a null it is producing. And the quantity it is from order table only. So these two are left table which are not matching with the right table. It's a very clearly you will understand here. As you've seen here, very simple. See, the null which is representing. So to avoid confusion, I'll make it as a quantity in, like, the column I can specify over here itself. All right. Now execute the statement. Now let's see here. Order ID quantity from order table. As you see, one by one it is showing. And the product name, it is from product table. One more column I'll take from products. It is an which one I'll take, list price. We'll take for the price of the product. Execute the statement. Now let's see here. From the left table, two columns. From the right table, two columns. And the join statement, it is in a right join. So right join, what it is saying, all the data from the table of right table, and which are the matching rows from the left table. If it is not matched row, it will be written as a null. Exactly, we'll see in an output. Scroll down, go over here at the till of the end. Now let's see one by one. Yeah, see, around this row, around 47,000, like a 4,722 row. After that, here it is showing null means the data which are not matching with the orders table, that is the left table. So it is producing all the data of the right table. See, these are the all the matching data only from the right table only, and which is not matched with the left table here. So even the data row is generated, and it can be making it as an empty, as a null value it is producing. This is the way how you have to run your SQL queries in your local, like a SQL environment, and produce the output, and you can cross check it with the result oriented output. Then you will clearly understand how you are going to preparing SQL statements, and how you are going to writing an accurate productively with the more and more complex queries with the very ease in your hands. I hope you to understand, and try to practice with by adding group by class and order by where class, and all you can involve into the simple statement and make the more predictive and complex queries with more and more queries. Try to practice with, and you will be free while writing the SQL language queries. Your mind will be very free, and accurately will be prepared for a job in professional way. I hope you understand in a good way, and thanks for watching this session. Thank you.